Hello everyone. Let's try chat Mistral today. So I am going to try image generation first. So I wanted to check the prompt first. Create prompt to generate image about Sri. Let's see. I will be using a ChatGPT as well. I'm not going to use any other tool. So and let's try the two tabs. Let's okay. Oh, I don't have the quota because yesterday I generated few. So I have nice image generation for the from ChatGPT. So it has the limit. I don't know. I haven't generated much. Sorry, you can't generate the image right now because exceed the quota for image generation. Oh, so it's like that. They have a limitation. Hmm. Otherwise I would need to create different account. I don't know to do that. So but I this is the first thing I wanted to try. Let's try some asking some question about, actually I wanted to check the Sinhala knowledge. So I'm using one Sinhala tool to create ask some question. So then I will type here ob. So here what I'm saying, what you know about the Sri Lanka. So that's the question I'm going to ask. First, I will ask from ChatGPT, then let it run. Then I will go to Mistral. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing correctly. Mistral, the French. So the hey, so this is totally wrong. We don't say hey. It's kind of a word we might say when we are asking from like monk or like noble person. Hey, no. මම ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ප්‍රකෘතිය ඉතිහාසය සහ සංස්කෘතිය ගැන දැනුමක් ඇත ඔබට විස්තර දැනගැනීමට අවශ්‍ය වික්ෂිප්තව අසන්න. So it's let's see what ChatGPT is saying. Still it is saying so many things. So you can see it's saying මම ලංකාව ගැන I know most of the thing about Sri Lanka, the geographical and what happened, the riots, the culture, the places, the we have very nice seas. So uh, so let's ask from this. Tell me in Sinhala, about Buddhism, because Sri Lankan, I don't know the pronoun, let's say. It doesn't have to be a correct this spelling. Let's see. Sinhala. Tell me, anyway, I'll give you Buddhism. Tell me in Sinhala about Buddhism. බෞද්ධ ධර්මයේ ගෞතම බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ පොහොය දැක්වීම සහ පැවසීම පිළිබඳ ධර්මයේ ලබ්ලබ්ලා බෞද්ධ ධර්මයේ මූලික දේශනාවන් හා පිළිටවන්න පාසකම් පැවැත්ම උපදෙස් පිළිබඳ පැහැදිලි කරයි. ඒ දුක්ඛ this wrong. Dukkha, reason for dukkha, and how dukkha has been developed, and end of this is what you call four noble truth. හිමිකයි බෞද්ධ ධර්මයේ ප්‍රධාන දේශනාවක් සත්‍ය පිළිබඳ පහසුකම් පැවරීමට උත්සාහ කරයි. එය දහම් පැවසීමේ පැරණි පාඨයන් හා something like that. Let's see. It's very poor in Sinhala language. That's what I wanted to say. I mentioned in the tweet when they were asking about the languages. I don't know whether they have any plan, but I'm not saying, I'm not going to say this tool is bad, but I mean, no, I don't want to ask that question. I already asked. So tell me why the copying is not working. Tell me about, let's see. See, it's writing very nicely. This is Four Noble Truth it's talking about. Dukkha, reason for dukkha, and how to end, and eightfold path. Noble eightfold paths, and three marks of existence. So this is Sthana, the Srima Bodhi in Sri Lanka, the Tallada, what you call, Tooth Relic Temple, Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and so many Buddhist places. No, it's giving a very comprehensive answers. But these, they don't have, I don't know, that it's not, maybe it's not trained about Sri Lanka. So that's one thing it's missing. Let's say, let's ask you a question about what else you wanted to ask. So Sri Lanka is fine. Let's say, saw in the Twitter it's saying that it's good in coding. Do you know? I think I should start new chat. How can you start a new chat? How can I develop MSCRM system with web API? I don't want to give a comprehensive question, just test something, that's it. But if we are going to do a, complete one, I don't know this. I don't know, you can normally, there's a way, I can't remember how to spread the screen. Later I can check about it. So it's setup development environment, setup dynamic CRM. Install Visual Studio, install develop, install register your application, authentication with 365 ADSL, perform CRUD operation, write code about C#, okay, test your integration, I don't know, specs. Set up your 365. Before you start development, you need Dynamics reference, sign up. See, this is clearly saying about Dynamics. Go to the Flower Platform Center, register, find the Azure portal, get your access token, interact with the web API, create, force this operation. It also had some information. And update name, delete rate, use C# for web application, task main, authentication, yeah, both okay. Both these codes are okay, I mean similar, so no issues. Additional features, JavaScript testing, but initially the setting up development environment, it's missing something about, it's not exactly understanding my question. Maybe the prompt. I want to create online CRM instance for this scenario. Says here. Oh, it's very fast, huh? It's done. But choose CRM platform for fuel option. Oh, it's not understanding Microsoft CRM. But here it's basically understand. So let's say I am planning to use MS CRM. Let's say, oh, it should not be. Okay, go back. It should not be doing it. So if I click here, what would happen? Let's say control click. It's not even working. Huh? It's working. So it's working. So you can see the issue. If I click the link directly, it will open here. Ah no. Okay, that's fine. If I click link directly, no, it's even directly if you click, it will open in the different tab. Is it correct place? I don't know. The new era of AI hours. But unfortunately, this link is not working for them. Website configure. I will talk about this. Let's say so it is going to the admin 40 from this. So I think for the Microsoft product, it's it's not, this response are not good as the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT might have the integration with the CRM product. So basically, I'm a CRM developer. So that's what I wanted to try. I think this tool need to be improved. I don't know the training part, this model training, but I don't know. Maybe it's good for the C sharp coding. Let's ask about C sharp. I will ask in the same chain. C sharp code. I want to write. I do. What? C sharp code. I want to write. Check with. I don't know. Let's say I don't want to correct my spelling. See, so it is not getting. Let's say I will say write generic method to check C sharp. It's already been written. Command just further notes. record exists. It's understood something, so it's linking to the CRM. I mean, understanding wise, you can see because this has been using for a long time. Maybe that should be the reason. It's I don't know. To be honest, I don't know about this how these models are trained and how it's working. But thinking as a layman, this has been trained maybe using more by the developers. So now it's understand the developers term. Let's try another new chat. Do you know about hangfire.net? If you know, I want to develop. I want to develop uh, daily job for my system to send email if let's say if stock updated. Let's say control C. Yeah, stock update. So it has a stock update service. Check and send email, get update stocks. Stock update completed successful, but sending. But before sending, well, this is sending part. Let's say, okay, email service we have, but stock update it is not mentioning anything. But these methods are not generic. You can see that, right? Service provider, email service scope, get required email service update, stock gets stock update. But here, send stock update email. Yeah, this is they are focusing about sending email. Maybe my prompt based on that prompt they understand. Yeah, it's sending email. Here it's get an updated stock, send email. Each and every stock. Let's read about the my answers. Do you know about hangfire.net? If you know, I want to develop daily job for my system to send email. If stock updated, it's my I then when I'm typing this, I've done mistake. If stock updated, com completed. It should be if stock update completed in the system for all the stocks or something I should have been telling. But here it's understood that oh I want in that way, like sometimes we type very quickly without thinking, oh they do that, right? Update, yeah, bonus, trigger email after stock update. Yeah, this is enqueuing. So configure, let's go back and stock update, send email. So enqueue part is missing, so no, it's missing some more parts. See, it's normally you need to register the job, you need to yeah, see, register the daily hang fire. So it's talking about the cron expression and the information sending and these things, right? Background enqueue, send stock update email. Final thought, hang fire makes scheduling job super easy. You can monitor jobs hang fire dashboard. Stock update happen at a different time, use background. Hmm. So this tool, uh, I think it need to improve and it need to train a lot. I've seen the feedback in the Twitter saying, I mean, the people, this is, I think, highest downloaded app I've seen. I don't know. I haven't checked any stats, but you can, I mean, we can ask ChatGPT. Let's say new chat. We should be asking a new chat. How we need to search, right? Reasoning, I don't know. We need to enable it. How F is perform performing around the world. Tell me stats about it. Is it good? Let's Mistral AI application Le Chat has gained attention for impressive performance and the user satisfaction globally. The app is capable of responding user queries up to 1,000 words. Okay. Questioning the user review has been favorable, highlighting the app's user-friendly interface and efficiency prompt formatting. One user noted, great product, very useful, friendly, blah blah blah. In terms of performance benchmark, strong, yeah, this performance, but they are quite fast. That's what I've seen. And for instance, the Mistral 7B model outperformed the Llama 2 on various benchmark and matches the Exceed. However, it's worth nothing that the has achieved significant milestone. It's faced the competition from other AI assistant. For example, China DeepSeek recently launched AI assistant that has been making notable strides. Okay, overall, Mistral Le Chat is recognized for its speed, user-friendly design, and robust performance, making it strong contender in the AI assistant landscape. For more in-depth review, you might, yeah, later I will watch this video. I don't want to play here. I will watch this video later. I want to see how many people watch this.
Can you imagine having access to an AI chatbot that surpasses ChatGPT and is completely free? Today I bring you big news, Mistral, a tool that you can change how you use AI. Mistral Le Chat offers unlimited access to its best model, allows image generation, internet searches, document analysis, and creation of GPT assistants, all for free.
All right, I will watch later. So it's given that, but let's see its own reply. The Mistral app, known as the Lechat, gaining attention its performance features. Here's some key point about the performance, speed and performance, features, model and instruction. Mistral AI use advanced model like Mistral Large and Mistral, I don't know, which have shown high performance on the various benchmark. The company models are available major cloud platform. User feedback, yeah, the chat praise its efficiency and accessibility. It is seen as a strong alternative to other AI assistant. Competitive positioning, future potential. Overall, large Mistral is AI performance well and it's been recognized for the speed, feature, and potential. Anyway, it's very good to have the the what we call competition, and we can test all these tools like how it's been working and the performance and all these things. So you also can try, you can give your feedback, you can comment about it. I will make more videos about it. I will try few things. I just wanted to show you like how we can try this tool. Whatever the tool they are releasing, when you get a free time, you can try, Gemini to Gemini 2.0 patch is very good, I think, and ChatGPT and DeepSeek and all this model. And I use Perplexity, so which has all this combination of model. You can use Perplexity. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing correctly. Perplexity with the DeepSeek R1, which was hosted in US. So it's but the good thing about the Chinese hosted DeepSeek R1, that model, I mean, it's free, but now it's giving sometimes timeout because it's been using so many people around the world, but still they have managed to give the good prompts. So compared to all these tools, for me still the DeepSeek is the best one. Maybe because I'm not using ChatGPT paid version. So if I have that paid version, because I wanted to try the deep research, but to be honest, I don't have money to buy that subscription because I'm not doing much with these AI things. But recently I start learning and creating just I'm creating videos. So if I get a chance for this, I can try and I can create because I have some idea to create some research. Especially, I'm from Sri Lanka. So in the recent Sri Lanka, we have a new government, so they are planning to do good things. Like previously, we had a very corrupted governments, so they were using public money for the corruption and misusing the funds. So we have some hope. I don't know. I don't trust the politician, but I can see some hopes. They are trying to do some digitalization and so many things. So if I get an access to this kind of a tool, I don't know. In the Twitter, I've seen some one person he was able to replicate same thing, which is DeepSeek, not DeepSeek, the OpenAI deep research using their own environment. I don't have time and I don't have good laptop and free environment to set up that. If I had, I would have tried that. Then, because my purpose is if I can do good research about Sri Lankan digital economy and the things government trying to do, then I can publish. I don't know whether it would be useful or not, but I wanted to do that research. It's pending for me because I work on Singapore. In the Singapore, I've seen how the digital economy perform and how good they are doing. They have their own clouds, their their privacy. I mean, their data protection policies, and all these things I've seen. And based on that, I have interest like how I can help the Sri Lanka. So I think I've written few blogs about it, and later we can discuss about my idea. I mean, my experience, how Sri Lanka can use about it. That's it for today. Bye.